Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 7th of February 2022. Taking a look here at Vechain on multiple time frame analysis. Specifically, we're on the 3-week right now. Not much of a major change as far as its lows are concerned compared to the last 3-week candle. Still don't have enough data for a complete 3-week Ichimoku system, so there's just not a ton of data to derive from it. We are below the Tenkan Sen and the Kijun Sen on the 3-week chart. But zipping over to the weekly, things get a little bit more clear. Very, very flat Senko Span B. That's, I think, one of the first things people should note is that Senko Span B is very, very, very flat. And the RSI is in a bull market. Despite dipping down below 40, it never did hit the 30 level, so it's still in a bull market. It's recovered above there. And there is a bullish crossover of the composite index above its fast-moving average. At the same time, the percent B has crossed above 0.2. So it's spent a pretty good amount of time traveling lower in the current swing because it's how many weeks has this been? Days, I guess you could say. Yeah, so we're 90 days there, but from the peak of 2021, it's like 301 days. So, it's 9 weeks short of a full year that it's been traveling lower since it hit those all-time highs. And it's just kind of continuing to drift. We need to see a clear rally higher here. And the first step in that process would be a weekly close above that Tenkan Sen around that 7.5 cent level. So at or above 7.5 cents, that would do it. And, just the daily chart might show us a little something different, but the weekly chart is the one I think we need to focus on. The daily may show some signs that we're getting a little overbought in the short term, and that may be true because we have had pretty good rise over a short period of time. But again, that daily chart, that is the one that shows, the weekly chart is the one that shows where the next major expansion move is, because it's still quite down compared to on its time frame versus the daily. So in the interim, I would look at any weekly close around 7.5 cents would be very bullish, and it would probably top out around that 12 cent level. That's where the bottom of the cloud and the Kijun Sen is at. As far as downside pressure, I'd say it's limited to where the 2022 low is at in that 4 cent level. That does it for me from Office here at Exchange Rates UK TV. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.